I tried this, actually when I was in university, my project was about seeds, and like I got so interested. I said, "Okay, let me have one of it," because I travel a lot. So since I came back 2 weeks ago, I've been having this back ache that wouldn't go. So I felt okay because I need to do some exercises. And I've been exercising, but it's still there. I was supposed to see a doctor, but I've just been, taking my time. So yesterday I took just one of it. And seriously, for the past 2 weeks, I slept very well and slept like a baby. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating. So this morning I was telling my husband, I said, this is like a joke. Because even when they were telling me she had a husband, my husband was like, are you sure? And this is like, it's too sweet. I need to put this now another product again, which one will come after this. So I was telling my husband, don't worry, I take it now. At least I have this back pain, I'll use it to know. Since she said it has to, to do with anything that has to do with inflammatory things. So okay. And this morning I felt so strong and seriously I'm not feeling that pain. I'm not feeling that pain. This morning I took another, just said I should take it for my breakfast, and I took it and I'm feeling really very good. So that's my testimony.